What's up guys, today I'm gonna show you a bunch of gadgets that you wanna stock up on before they're gone. In case of emergency, you wanna provide for yourself around your property and whatnot. And sometimes you have to maybe even bug out, camp out, whatever. So I choose this double bit hatchet. Never seen anything like that. There is a burn for it. I'll put a price somewhere out here in a video. And check this out, it's high quality. The reason why I like double bit hatchets, once this one is going to dull out, you have another side, so that's going to last much longer. It's pretty heavy, but it's nice. But it's not as big as an axe. So what would I do with chopping bigger logs? Well, we'll have to come up with a folding saw, something like that. Silky Folding Saw, so one of the best. This one right here is 500. It's not the biggest, I think it's the third biggest. So they have two other ones that is bigger. So, but for hiking, that's more than enough. There's a safety feature. It goes like that, locks in, so it does not come off. You have double handle, long handle, katana boy 500, and look at that long blade. So that will chop up quite a big logs and stuff, so I don't have to bring a giant axe with me. I will cut down the logs with that and then chop it with this one, something smaller. That's why I don't really need to bring a big bulky axe with me. In case there is no gasoline, we cannot fill our chainsaws with. So that's why we want to have some kind of nice sauce to cut down and build up a firewood. Also safety, it won't open. It's nice, and it comes with a really good folder right here, and right here a secondary item. You can put extra blades in here. I need to stock up myself with a bunch of replaceable blades, because good luck sharpening those blades up once they dull out. They're gonna last a long time, but you want to have a bunch in case of the supply chains get disrupted again and you cannot get more stuff. That way you prepared, you have a lot to get the fire going, and if there's power outage you need firewood, and if there's no gas you cannot use a chainsaw. So this is like a last resort, but you want to stock up on some gas as well with the chainsaws. Next I got right here a really nice fixed blade knife, like this one is Gerber, so like $50 one. What's so nice about that one? You have a fire starter, but what's most important, if you bug out in the woods, there is right here in the back, if I can take that off, probably this is the easiest, there you go. There's a sharpening stone in the back. That what makes it so good. With this knife you can sharpen it, whatever. You probably want to learn how to sharpen your knife, but honestly you can sharpen it up somewhat good even if you don't have experience sharpening knives, and you can learn, but at least you have sharpening stone. And a lot of bushcrafting knives don't come with the sharpening stones. That's why I like this one, and it's really durable and it's cheap, so I don't mind practicing with that. So that's another item you should have, in my opinion. By the way, in case you want a smaller folding saw, like a pocket one, that could be really useful too. Instead of swinging, chopping with your hatchet, it's quite heavy. Not always, you might not want to bring it with you. This is much lighter. It's Pocket Boy, Silky Folding Saw, and you can get replaceable blades. As you can see, you can replace a blade super easily. So this is very comfortable. But wow, this thing is so awesome. You see there's two latchets. You can go this way or this way and then fold it. I love these ones. This is the smallest, most powerful folding saws. As you can see, it's quite used. I put to the test them multiple times. That's must-have item as well. Another must-have item, you want to have a tarp. A really nice lightweight tarp, but really good and waterproof. This is the one I got right here. You don't have to bring with you like a tent spikes, because you can always make them out of sticks and your surroundings and things like that. So you don't need more gear. As long as you have a nice bushcrafting knife, you can make those and set up your tent. But although this one does comes with the ropes and the Leo spikes, so this Leo tarp is actually nice. And look on the picture, it's big. In the future I'll show you different ways you can build a tent and shelter with this kind of tarps. They're very cool and foldable. Another thing what you want to get with you is one of these. This is right here is dry sack. So what's so good about it? First of all, it could be flotation device, it could be water carrier like a bucket. It's highly waterproof, and look how compact that is. Let's unbox this one. This is C2 Summit, a really good brand. I have put them to the test for years. So looks like, boom. It's a really big dry bag. If you want to use it like a flotation device, you want to get the air in and then fold it up. It's airtight. Well, this one losing air. A lot of them don't. You know what? This one is designed air compressed out, water cannot get in, which is cool, but in my opinion you don't want the air out or in, so that way you can use it as a flotation device. But that way you can compress your equipment into very small compact little baggie, which is really cool. It's just different. I like the ones that is watertight, and so that way flotation device and water carrier for both reasons, or keep your equipment dry. This right here, one of the most overlooked items. I have put them to the test. These are cheapest lighters you can get, and they're so good because you can throw them in the water, submerge them for a day, take them out, dry them out completely, and guess what? They're going to light up again. If you put them in water, no big deal, because there's nothing really that water is going to damage that lighter. It's just all plastic. So the only thing is sometimes it doesn't light up whenever it's a flint is wet. So the spark will not strike till you dry it out. I do love these lighters. I stuck up on a lot of them. I bought it like about 5 years ago, all these lighters, and guess what? I still have a lot of them. I had 2 packs. I think I only have like this pack full and 1 row. So I've been using them a lot. They kind of get lost and easily and things like that in the cars and the backpacks in survival kits. So I stack up on these items all the time. They're pretty useful. Another thing is probably a good idea, have a nice crossbow. This one is a mini. I thought it's so cool. I bought it to show it to you guys. There's a handle. It folds down. That's cool. I didn't even know it was so folds down. There you go. Put it up, fold it. I guess this could be like a stand. Interesting. So a little shorty. This one is like $1,200. There's a lot of cheaper ones, very reliable too. You don't have to buy the most expensive one, but I think it's just so cool. So I got it for the videos, why not? And very important, what will happen is when you practice, you're going to lose or break, or when you're hunting, you're going to lose arrows all the time. You want to stack up on those. Although the good type of arrows that is lightweight is really expensive, like $100 for 3, so don't lose them, but you do need to stack up on them. Again, in case of a supply chain issues, you cannot get them and you need to like get food. There you go. You want to have quite a few of those, because who knows how many times tries you're going to do till you get something. Another thing you'll need is a cooking kit. You can start the fire, but you'll have to boil water in something or cook everything. So some kind of teapots, cups. Look, it comes with a little sponge to do the dishes. That's probably okay, but look at that. You got pan, a pot, teapot, everything in here. It's all kind of goes in this way. So you have quite a few things over here all in one, with a little spoon. And the best part is it comes with a holder that will keep everything tight. Cooking kit is also really nice for camping, so it's nice to have around just in case something happens. You always have it and prepared. So let me know in comments below if you want to see more survival tools and gadgets that I stock on in case of emergency. Always good to have these tools. Even if there is nothing happens, you know, there's a chance I will be using on my 70 acres right here. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.